Okay, so this trade was taken on 22nd of April 2024, and the stock name is Z Entertainment, ZEEL. And so this is the daily chart. This is updated up to previous day. So this is the previous day candle. So now what do we see here? So first off, we had an order block earlier, and price was reacting from here. And furthermore, we had another order block here, and most recently price has started reacting from here, and this is a good order block because why, we have an inefficiency also, as we can see here, this one. So this was our inefficiency, so which makes this a good order block, and price is now reacting from here. And moreover, this is a swing high, and the third candle of this swing high has already broken the low of the second candle, and therefore this is a strong bearish bias. And what should be the next draw on liquidity? So this is the next swing low. This becomes our next draw on liquidity. If price is able to clear this uh, draw on liquidity clearly and conveniently, then it is expected that it will reach the next draw on liquidity, which is this swing low. So having that in mind, our first target is this point. But even before that, our first target is the previous day low. So please remember, this is the candle of 19th April. So 22nd April's candle is not shown here. So for that candle, the first draw on liquidity is, or our target is, the previous day low, and then this swing low, and finally this swing low. So understanding, we move on to our trading day, that means today, 22nd of April. So today morning, what do we see here? So this blue line is the previous day low. So sorry, previous day high. So price first of all start taking this in the opposite direction as a Judah swing, and then rejects strongly. And but I was monitoring this, but there was no clear inefficient delivery here. So all the areas were efficiently traced by price only until this point, where we get our first fair value gap. So this is the first fair value gap, of course, in the 5 minutes time frame, and which is visited by the price. After mitigating this first fair value gap, it creates a second fair value gap here. So this gives us clear indication that now it is bearish, because we have two evidences. This is FVG1 and this is FVG2. So based on that, as you can see here, we took our entry from here. So this was 143.2 where we entered, 143.2. So this was the entry point. The stop loss was right above this point here, and our first target was, as we were mentioning, it was the previous day low, which is this red line. So as we can see, so after 3 or 4 candles, in 5 minutes time frame. It took our target here, and in fact it took the next drawn liquidity also. That means this line also it took, and now it is obviously moving sideways. I don't know what is going to happen. Either it will reach reach this swing low, or maybe it may go up. We don't care about that. We have already achieved our target, and we will wait for the next move, that the next intention of price that is evident from this chart. It is not evident now because price is moving sideways as it is seen here. So that was a trade of Monday. So now it is 12:20 and I am waiting for my next trade. I don't know whether I will get it or not. So let us see.